Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on the 4 reasons to use ConvertKit for your email marketing. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. ConvertKit is a powerful tool for email marketing that offers several advantages for users looking to streamline their efforts and maximize results. Firstly, ConvertKit boasts an intuitive and user-friendly dashboard, making it easy for even beginners to navigate and manage their email campaigns effectively. This simplicity allows users to focus on crafting compelling content rather than struggling with complex software. Secondly, the platform excels in allowing users to create landing pages effortlessly. With ConvertKit, you can design and publish landing pages without needing extensive technical knowledge or additional tools, helping you capture leads and drive conversions more efficiently. Thirdly, ConvertKit supports a wide range of integrations with popular apps and services. This connectivity ensures that you can synchronize your email marketing efforts with other tools you're already using, such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and social media networks, creating a cohesive marketing ecosystem. Lastly, ConvertKit offers flexible pricing plans that cater to different needs and budgets. Its low-cost upgrades and scalable options mean that as your email list grows and your marketing needs evolve, you can easily adjust your plan without facing financial strain. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.